Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All, and welcome back JDM fam. Have a new part for the 7th Gen Civic, so let's check it out right now. Alright guys, so the new parts are actually in this box right now, so let's see what it is. It's actually some headlights, guys. We actually just got some headlights from Oxido, so check out Oxido.com. They have high quality parts, they have a lot of great parts, and a wide selection as well. Now, guys, check this out. Beautiful. So I did just redo the headlights on the 7th Gen Civic, but obviously the best thing to do is to replace them completely. If you want to save money, you can always redo them, but replacing them completely is going to give you the best effect, and check this out. How amazing. So if you guys want to check these headlights out or order any lights, LED lights or whatever, headlights, you definitely want to check out Oxido.com. Use code JDM4ALL in all caps with no spaces. I will have the link in the description as well as my code for 15% off their website. So let's actually check these out, guys. I mean, look at this, guys. What a beautiful sight. These are amazing. They are in perfect condition. They actually have great packaging. Look at this. They have really good packaging. I mean, these things are definitely going to be safe as they are making their way to your house from Oxido. So, like I mentioned, guys, they look great. And, I mean, can't be any happier with brand new products, brand new mods for the 7th Gen Civic. This isn't really a mod, but this is going to make it look a lot better, and it's going to replace some headlights that are in, like, not the worst shape, but they don't look brand new anymore. So, obviously, these are the stock ones. These aren't black housing or anything, but they still are. I mean, they're in really good. They're a really good design. Honda designed these headlights very well. So we are going to be replacing the headlights in the 7th Gen Civic, guys, probably this weekend. So look out for the video. But like I mentioned, guys, use code JDM4ALL for 15% off on the Oxido website. Also, look out for the video where we replace these headlights. Well, put these headlights in the 7th Gen, replace the old headlights, and they look amazing, guys. So thanks for watching. Look out for the next video where I actually replace the headlights, and I cannot wait to see what they look like. It's going to be amazing. The 7th Gen has been looking great, guys, and it's looking better and better every video that we actually release on the channel. It is just looking great. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.